Today we are show you how Topkit scare tube perfectly and joint strong. Put this piece on it and draw lines with right angle, then you cut these sides. On grinder. Look at these marking carefully, he marked with signs very nicely. Now it's time to cutting. If you learn these skills, it make your work so amazing and beautiful, then you joint every tubes very perfectly. It's simple idea. After the cutting, remove this. One side kit is done successful. Now cut the another side on grinder. Look, this craftsman every step he cut it so perfectly. After cutting these both tubes, then marking on the third tube as shown in video. Put the tube between two tubes and mark for cutting from all sides. After finishing cutting, connect them in very perfectly. He is marking for cutting all side. It's going amazing. I hope you earn a lot from this skill. Subscribe my channel and share with your friends. Thank you.